This is a test of the Singer 201 that I am selling on eBay. Basically, I only have one thing that I feel needs to be said about any of these Singers. If you use cheap thread, you're going to have a lot of breakage. This machine, when you're using Coates & Clark or better quality thread, never has any breakage. But when you start using that $1 a spool stuff, it breaks a lot. So that's the only thing. This machine has been serviced. I replaced the grease things and put new grease in it. I checked the motor, cleaned the commutator, made sure the wiring was good inside the motor, serviced the motor the way it would normally be serviced by a professional. I replaced that part. This machine, I believe, is a 1950 or 51. I'll have to check the serial number on it. But I'm listing this only for whoever decides to purchase it, to pick it up only, because I'm not boxing this and shipping it. Thank you.